Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fishing landing net. First, gather your essential materials, including wood strips for a laminated frame or half-inch PEX tubing for a lighter option. You will also need a net bag and strong, waterproof glue. A crucial tip is to buy your net bag before starting, as this helps determine the ideal size and shape for your net's frame, ensuring a perfect fit. Next, let's construct the net frame. Begin by creating a sturdy mold from plywood, tracing your desired hoop shape. Prepare thin wood strips, typically 1/8 inch thick, by steaming or soaking them in hot water for about 30 minutes to make them flexible. Apply a waterproof wood glue between each strip, then carefully clamp the laminates around your mold. Allow this assembly to dry for at least 24 hours to ensure a strong, permanent curve. Now it's time to attach the net bag to your newly formed frame. Using a router, cut a shallow groove, about 1/8 inch deep, along the inner edge of the net hoop. Then, drill small holes, approximately 1/16 inch in diameter, spaced about 1½ inches apart within this groove. Use a durable lashing cord, such as thin paracord or wax twine, to meticulously weave and secure the net bag to the frame, ensuring even tension all around. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches and discuss maintenance. Thoroughly sand the entire wooden frame, starting with coarser grits and progressing to finer ones, for a smooth, comfortable feel. Apply several coats of a waterproof sealant, like spar varnish or tung oil, allowing adequate drying time between each application. For lasting durability, regularly inspect your net for any wear and reapply the protective finish as needed, keeping it ready for many fishing adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.